from AlphaCars from our Boxborough location. We're thrilled to report to you on a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Hard Rock Edition. It's an amazing offering, and we still have it available as we are working on this video. We're going to get close and personal with this vehicle. Let's give it a try. Low mileage and amazing original condition, and a lot of cool details, part of the Hard Rock Edition, that make this Jeep very, very special. We're lucky to have it because you don't see many, but you will not find any of them in this amazing, truly amazing price range. You must see our website listing, which will have the current price, and you will not believe that you can actually get this Jeep for this price. Great condition all around. Only 32,000 miles. And very, very clean inside and out. Comes with a nice set of floor mats. And a lot of cool features. Check this out. Look at the tires and rims that are specific to the Hard Rock Edition. Nice step rail, or also called rock protection. Special bumpers, red tow hooks, and all around excellent condition. No chips, no dents, no scratches. Look at the spare wheel, brand new, no one touched it. So please give us a call if you have interest in this vehicle or any other vehicle that you see on our website at alphacars.com. We'll be very happy to assist you. You can give us a call at 978-263-9000. You can send us an email to sales@alphacars.com, or you can simply click Contact Us button right there from our website, from the listing to this vehicle or any other vehicle on alphacars.com. Thank you very much for viewing this video. My name is Dimitri, and I'm reporting from AlphaCars from our Boxborough location.